Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to clone app on Redmi 13C device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here please scroll down and then you can select apps option. I can then press double apps here. Okay, and then in this section, you can select any application you want to duplicate. And then turn on this button to duplicate it. Well, after cloning, and then you can see that the application is successfully duplicated. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to clone app on Redmi 13C device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.